So hey guys, once again welcome back, and this is me Pranay, and as always you're watching Techno Master. So guys, today in my hand is this beauty brand new Realme 16, which is in my hand today. So we have this live demo unit with us. So as you can see, we have this in this white kind of color, and I will confirm the color later. And in the front, you can see we have this 6.757 inches 120 Hz AMOLED display, and at the back we have triple rear setup, as you can see, and with this mirror to take selfies with the rear camera. So that is really nice add-on. So we have 50 MP Sony sensor, which is IMX852, and 2 MP monochrome sensor as well, and 2 MP AI lens. So and the front, you can see we have AMOLED display, which comes with 4200 nits of peak brightness. And let me show you the about phone. By the way, this device is running on MediaTek Dimensity 6400 chipset, which is 6 nanometer based. So it is nice. So as you can see the details. Nice. So devices out of the boxes devices run smoothly, but yeah, I have to say it is running good. So guys, this is just a live demo quick look video, and we will be doing more videos of this device like unboxing and others. So as you can see the camera, quickly look at the camera. So you can see the image. So this is just a rough idea about the camera. So yeah, we have different modes. So basic camera, Realme camera setup. Yeah, so again device is running good. So this is about the interface. So here's the internal storage, as you can see. So device is looking interesting. Design is very different from old generation models. So this is very different device, and this selfie mirror in rear camera, which is very different, and it is India's first. So and device design is again very premium, obviously. So overall it is running good, and it has this lightweight compact body as well. So guys, I will make unboxing and review video of this device if you want. So please do comment for the video. So thanks all for watching.